Welcome to Garage Heads, your go-to spot for everything automotive. If you're passionate about cars, their specs, and the latest trends in the industry, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into the 2025 Porsche Macan, one of the most highly anticipated luxury SUVs of the year. This refreshed model has made quite a buzz, and we're here to break down its reviews, specs, and features to give you a closer look at what's new. The 2025 Porsche Macan brings an exciting update to the already impressive Macan lineup, with new styling, upgraded technology, and improved performance. This compact luxury SUV keeps its signature sporty design, yet it features a more modern and aggressive front end, with sharper lines and a refreshed grille. It's clear that Porsche has taken great care to blend elegance with power in this redesign. Under the hood, the 2025 Macan offers multiple engine options to cater to various preferences. The base model is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering a solid 265 horsepower. For those seeking more power, the Macan S comes with a 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 that produces an impressive 375 horsepower. Lastly, for the ultimate performance, the Macan Turbo is equipped with a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 that cranks out 440 horsepower, providing an exhilarating driving experience. All models come standard with all-wheel drive and a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive handling. Inside, the Macan offers a luxurious and driver-focused cabin, featuring high-quality materials and the latest in technology. The 10.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system is now more intuitive, offering seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Porsche's signature Porsche Communication Management System is also present, providing a sleek interface and quick response times. There's also a new digital instrument cluster that looks stunning and enhances the overall high-tech feel of the interior. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Macan is equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. These features add peace of mind for both daily commuting and long road trips. In terms of driving dynamics, the 2025 Porsche Macan lives up to the brand's reputation for delivering an athletic and engaging driving experience. The Macan's sharp steering, strong braking system, and well-tuned suspension make it an absolute joy to drive on both city streets and winding mountain roads. Whether you're looking for comfort or performance, the Macan offers the best of both worlds. If you enjoyed this review of the 2025 Porsche Macan, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth car reviews, specs, and features. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Garage Heads.